Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Reddit account. So first of all, open up the Reddit app. Now in here, click on sign up. Now in here, I will continue with my Google account. Now in here, you'll have to type in the username that you want to use. I will go for the default one that they've given me, and after that click on continue. Now in here, you will have to identify yourself. I will go for man. Now in here, you will have to pick some things that you like to see in your home feed. I will go for, let's say, gaming releases, click on continue. Now in here they will ask you to select your avatar. I will not do that. I will click on skip. And after that you're done, and that is how you can create a Reddit account. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Reddit account. So first of all, open up Google browser. Now once you're in browser, type in your search bar Reddit and go to this first link right here. Now once you're at the home page, click on login at the left side right here, and in here new to Reddit, click on sign up. Now I will be continuing with my Google account. Now after that, they will ask you to identify yourself. Go for man. Now in here, they will ask you to pick up some interest so that they can customize your home page. I'll go for, let's say, Met Journey, Formula One, gaming releases, and after that, click on continue. And that is it, and your Reddit account would now be created. So that is how you can create a Reddit account.